Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome. I'm Sabrina, just Brina. In this video, you already know what we're doing. Reviewing MoKnowsHair products. Let's get right on into it. I'm starting off with the Scalp Plus Curl Clarifier. This product is supposed to remove pollutants and build up without stripping natural oils to reveal a balanced scalp and curls. So I started and kept my hair in these 4 sections that I previously detangled. I'm using this product prior to adding water just to get it all in my scalp and get a great lather, and then you add water. That's what it says to do, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm just working this product in, and I'm keeping my hair in those twists to prevent tangling. I would then take these twists out to work this product down the curls of my hair to make sure everything is nice and clean and clarified. I like to do this method again because it prevents my hair tangling again, and I just rake my hands through just to make sure my hair is staying detangled. I will now work with these 2 sections instead of working in 4 sections. Okay, you want to make sure you thoroughly rinse your hair out before going to the next step. Here we are. I'm applying the Curl Co-Wash Plus Conditioner. This product is supposed to remove light buildup plus detangle. I can honestly say that I like the product. My hair felt soft and it felt like it was doing what it said it would do. So I went in with my wide tooth comb to further detangle just to make sure my hair is staying good, you know. And then after going in with my wide tooth comb, I went in with my pattern beauty brush. I find myself using that a lot more lately because it seems a little more sturdy than my regular dimming brush. So I go in with that and detangle some more because that always get areas that the wide tooth comb may have missed. So that's what you see me doing here, brushing through with the pattern beauty brush. And as you can see, it was easy. Thoroughly rinse, and let's move on to the styling. So here I'm using the Curl Styling Potion. I'm applying a generous amount because my hair is thick. So this product says it's a 2-in-1 leave-in plus styler with soft hold. I apply this product to both sections of my hair in a raking motion and also a prayer mantis motion, just to make sure the product is like really working its way and penetrating my strands. I'm now going in with the Curl Setting Gel. This product is supposed to tame frizz, define, and it has medium hold. I can say that everything in the line so far had like a light masculine scent, which I like, but this gel, I don't know what, but it was stinky. Like, I didn't like how the gel smelled. It didn't have like, I don't know, I just didn't like how the gel smelled, but my hair felt good. I thought I was gonna have great results, but just keep watching to see the final product. Okay, so here I am, and I'm letting my hair air dry. I don't want to manipulate it. I just want to see like how this product really works. I do want to point out that I did notice as my hair was getting drier, it was getting frizzier, and I did not like that. Drum roll, please. Brrr, the results. My hair looked like old week-long wash and go hair. I did not like the results. I did not like my hair. It was dry. It had flakes in it. It also had the little white stuff from the product. It just was a mess. It looks okay because my hair pretty much does good with any product, but this product was drying. My hair was frizzy with first day hair. I didn't pick it out, and it just looked old. So it's a no for me. Mo don't know my hair. Thank y'all for watching. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.